Are you staring down the barrel of an Infosys assessment, feeling completely lost when it comes to pseudocode? Today, we're going to break down how to conquer those tricky pseudocode questions, making you confident when you're face-to-face with your assessment. First, let's understand what pseudocode is. It's a plain language way of describing code, a roadmap of instructions that avoids getting bogged down by a specific programming language's syntax. Think of it as a high-level plan before actually writing the code. Next, we break down a basic step-by-step approach to understanding. First, you will need to read the question carefully, understand the inputs, the expected output, and the overall task. Then, identify keywords and look for words like if, else, loop, while, for all important components of a structure to follow. Third, break down the problem into smaller, more manageable pieces. Think of each step like you're giving instructions. What do you do first? Then what? Create notes of the variables you will need. Now it's time to translate the logic. Translate the keywords and steps into the logic of these pseudocode statements. Finally, test it with examples. Walk through the pseudocode with some sample inputs to make sure the output matches what's expected. This crucial step catches errors and boosts your confidence. By mastering these steps, you can approach the Infosys pseudocode questions with poise, setting yourself up to do well in their hiring process. Good luck and happy coding.